KG Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin yung reaction video. Ang Kat Den latest ganap kung saan man sila for today's video. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. Without further ado, let's start this video. G.
If your character had one piece of advice
Ano to?
about love to the audience, what would it be?
Wow.
From my learnings or from Joy's character,
learning.
I would say, don't be too scared to fall in love again.
Oh my God.
Because as you've seen in
Oh
her
my
character,
God.
the sorry, spoiler alert, the
So, mahal niya na.
whatever
Mahal.
it is or whatever
So, ready siya
was
ma-in-love
that
pag ganun.
happened between
Pag ganun yung statement niya, ready siya
Joy
ma-in-love.
and Ethan really affected her. And I just think that
Diba? Ready siya ma-in-love. Kaya kung hindi ka ready ma-in-love, I mean, kahit hindi sabihin yun, ready siya ma-in-love. Pero what I mean is parang, ora mismo, agad-agad, pwede akong ma-in-love kasi hindi na ako takot magmahal. Something like that. Yun yung pumasok agad sa utak ko. Sorry
it's just fair or it's just nice to say hello to love again.
I-
It's a beautiful
I love
feeling,
that.
and you shouldn't let your past or
love
your
that.
bad experiences ruin your perception of love.
True. True that. True that. Ang talino niya talaga. Ay, ano to? Sino yung gwapo na yun? Hollywood moment. Hindi naman marinig, guys.
And I hope, everybody notices this. And I hope everybody's happy that, they see me in
Si Direk Kat yung nagsasalita. Akala ko si Kat. Very Hollywood. Very Hollywood ang atake.
Ako, happy din po ako nakasama ako dito sa movie. I am really,
Very Hollywood. Ang gwapo ni Alden.
ito,
Paghanap tayo ng makikita, maririnig talaga yung sinasabi ni Alden. Ay, wait lang. The Royal Couple. Ganun. Ganyan ang atake. Ay, Diyos ko. Charis. Diyos ko. Ganyan yung atake for today's video. Ganyan. Oh. Ay, may pagtingin pa talaga si Alden. Charis. Ganyan, Joy. Ganyan, Kat. Ganyan yung atake. Ang gwapo ni Alden. Ang ganda ni Kat, oh. Ang ganda ng book ni Kat, oh. Sino pinag-ayos sa kanya? May dala din naman siya sigurong stylist, di ba? For sure, merong dala yung stylist. Ganyan ang atake for today's video. Ganyan na ganyan. Siya, sana mag-vlog si Kat dyan. Oh, maganda siguro kung may mga vlog si Kat dyan. Asian World Film Festival. Ay, nominee sila? Nominee ba sila? Sino yung sa gilid ni Alden? Ang gwapo naman. Ang gwapo naman. Nakatabi ni Alden, ha? And of course, gwapo pa din talaga si Alden. Ay, sino naman yung bida-bida dyan sa gitna? Yung totoo. Gusto niya talaga mag-anes. Pak. Di mo kaya. Oh my God, ang ganda ng damit ni Kath. Very flowy.
hello, Asian World Film Festival.
Asian World Film Festival. Wait lang, nominee ba sila? Kakapalabas pa lang Paano naman naging nominee? Baka naman special screening? Ay, yung tawa talaga. Ang cute talaga ng tawa niya, in fairness.
Tawagin natin.
Pilipino ba ito lahat? Ang dami kong tanong.
Valerie!
Sino yun si Valerie Concepcion? Ay, talay na sa US din pala siya. Si Maymay ba? Wala, no? Ay, bakit pala wala si Maymay? Sa Hello Love Again.
Okay, ready?
Ay, si Uno, ang gwapo. Si Uno pala, yung jowa.
Okay, ready?
Ermergerd. Go.
One more time, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3.
House video.
Pero ang dalawa, dikit na dikit. Dikit na dikit talaga ang dalawa. Hindi mo ka talaga kaya yan. Dikit na dikit talaga sila. Hindi mo kaya yan, dear. Ano na, chika. Piling ko nag-chikahan pa yan sila sa intercom eh. Hindi pa lumabas yan sa kwarto. Kapilang tayo. Wait lang, team. Meeting Kuya Art. Saan to? Ano yun? Ano yung meeting? Ay,
My time also. We
My
don't have
time.
much time now, so we have to visit for a vacation. He's gonna come back here next year. So I'll make time for
ay, taray! Taray! Ang taray! Bakit ito na panood? May time for him. Hindi mo kaya. This is really something. This is really something for today's video. This is really something talaga. I swear to God, Charis. Pili ko kulang yung isang reaction video eh. Dito sa captain natin eh. Oh my God, yung side profile ni Kat tsaka ni Alden, nakakainis. They are so pretty. Okay. Wait lang, baka may mas, ay wala. Ay napanood na natin yan. Hindi pa tayo. Ay, dito. Saan kayo ito mapapanood? Ay, ang kitis.
So, hopefully that's on like one of your bucket.
Ay, bakit nakamute? Nakakainis. Nakakainis naman. Nakamute, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, Miss Gracious. Ang lalaki. I swear. There is something.
Actually,
Ay, ano to?
back. Go ahead and
Yes, go ahead.
Because last year I gave you a gift.
Yes, I
So
remember.
so as part of SoCal Filipinos, we actually have a Disney group dedicated. There's about 15,000 members of Filipinos that love Disney, and my group wanted to give you a gift.
15,000 Filipinos lang daw merong ganyan.
For you coming, but you could open it
Thank
up
you.
and see what it is.
Ay, ang cute! Same tayo, Tisu.
Same tayo, Tisurin.
Hopefully that's on like one of your bucket lists.
May lambing ang pucha. Ay,
If
sorry.
we have more time,
Yeah.
I'll visit for sure.
So is there
May lambing ang pucha.
that you guys really want?
My God.
You know, more than anything, I just wanna go to the food trucks and eat.
Oh,
I swear.
foodie.
The food trucks. But
Foodie
we
talaga
don't
siya.
have much time now, so we have to visit for a vacation. He's gonna come back here next year. So I'll make time for
So
it.
this is a
Ay,
special gift.
make time for
Can I
it.
take a picture
Tama.
Of course.
these ears? Is that-
Tama, ang make time for it daw.
Actually, no, isa sa pinakamalas
Ano
sa
to?
Rainbow Reveal. Pero swerte naman sa karera at sa pag-ibig.
Ay, gosh. Hindi mo
So
kaya.
is there any areas like in LA that you guys really want to visit?
Ito, ha.
You know, more
Pakinggan
than
nyo to, ha.
anything, I just
Pakinggan nyo
wanna
to,
go to the
dear.
food
Pakinggan
trucks
nyo
and
to.
I
Nanggigigil ako.
swear! The food trucks. But then we don't have much time now, so we have to visit for a vacation. He's gonna come back here next year. So I'll make time for it.
I'll make time for it. Patingin ang itsura. Patingin ang itsura. Ay, ano ba yan? Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the Cat Den TikTok compilation. Gagawa pa ako ng isa guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala pa. Hindi tayo mapitin. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!